How to save draft projects in VN. First of all, open the app on your device and select a project you are currently working on. If you don't have a project yet, you can create a new one by importing your video clips or photos. Once your project is open, tap on the back arrow at the top left corner of the screen. You will see three options: Save the project and exit, exit directly, and cancel. Select Save the project and exit. After that, your project will be saved and displayed under the project section. You can tap on the three dots next to the project and select the rename option to give your draft a name that helps you identify it later. This is useful if you have multiple ongoing projects. After naming it, tap Done and your project will be stored in the project section on the VN dashboard. You can access it anytime to continue editing from where you left off. Saving drafts ensures your progress is not lost, making it easy to manage multiple projects and return to your edits at any time. Now you know how to save draft projects in VN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more VN editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.